What's up, y'all, and welcome to this week's episode of We Are The Bonsai Supply. I am Jerome, and this is Mari.
Today we are in Houston, and we are in the National Bonsai Convention. Join us to see what they got.
I'm Pete Parker. I'm the president of the Houston Bonsai Society that's organized most of this. First thing I want to do is to thank all the people that have been working on this. We've been doing one thing or the other for the last 2 years, including digging some of the workshop trees. So I really appreciate all the efforts by the HBS members. You know, most of the 2 years were spent on the display today, weren't they, Sean? But the logo looks great. A few things about it. When we built this, we tried to do a very strong program for the convention. I've been really pleased by the response that the bonsai community has had to us. This is now the largest bonsai event ever held in the state of Texas. We will have the largest exhibit ever in the state of Texas. So we're pretty proud of ourselves, actually. So the other thing I'd like to do right now is introduce Mark Fields, who's the president of ABS. This is ABS's national convention. And Mark, I just didn't figure you could say you'd been to Texas unless you had one.
Yes, but I wear a hat on.
There you go.
Is it big enough?
So thanks everyone for paying attention. Let's cut this right here.
Hold it.
Got it? Yeah.
Nice.
You got it.
nice to be back home in Florida. It was really nice to see some familiar faces as well as meeting some new people.
And what you saw in the video, it doesn't cover all the seminars and workshops that were happening at the convention. In fact, there were some at the same time that we were filming, so we couldn't cover all. This event was full of information and we're very happy that we got to be part of it.
Make sure that you guys check out next week's episode.
Because we're going to show you a closer look of the trees that won some awards and some more of the event.
Catch you guys next time.